Hey guys, so quick video on how you can connect your ASUS laptop to TV. Super simple. So first on your laptop, on your ASUS, you're going to locate the HDMI, and when you're gonna find the HDMI port, then you just want to go to your TV HDMI port, and there you want to find an HDMI, right? And this can be also for display port or VGA port, so you want to look on both. And then you just need an HDMI cable that you're gonna connect your TV with your laptop. So that's it. It's super simple. Also, important thing to know is that when you're gonna have it and you're gonna connect it, then it should work. But maybe you're gonna need adapters. So you're gonna have like HDMI adapter, something like this that you will have to buy if you have VGA on one and HDMI on second. So or you can just like get this cable, VGA HDMI cable, and you can work with that.